bilang anak ng GoPro. This is my first time testing the Osmo Action 5 Pro on the road at night. Fully automatic, wala akong change. Super night. Internal mic only. Hindi ko pa kinoconnect yung external mic. Samahan niyo ako umuwi from the gym. Let's do this. Okay, let's just find somewhere to park or somewhere to stop for a bit. Okay, let's do this here. Alright, now this is standard. Gloves lang ako and then I'm gonna go home. I don't even know if rinig nyo ako. I don't even know kung rinig ako. If not, then mukha akong tanga, nagsasalita ako mag-isa. Okay, gloves on, let's go. Paano pag ganito kadilim? Kita pa ba? I'm in joggers. We're at the stoplight. Pinalitan ko na ulit sa super night. Na-realize ko kung gaano kadilim sa Cavite. Okay, let's go home. Actually, Michelle dito, pagas na tayo para hindi na natin problemahin sa mga next nating gym sessions. Excuse me po. Unleaded boss, hold up. Yeah. Ready na yung motor para sa mga late night gym sessions natin. Hindi na kailangan maghanap ng gas station in the middle. Let's go home. Let's actually go home. Next time, itatry ko yung may mic. Try ko i-connect yung mic. Pag naka full face helmet ako,